Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial series, I will discuss concept of machine learning, and in this video, I will discuss concept of regression. So let's start. So what is regression? Regression is a kind of statistical supervised learning technique for estimating the relationship between dependent and independent variables. What it means? Suppose this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now we are taking some points. Okay. Now if we draw a straight line, all the points lies in this straight line. So this straight line is the relationship between this x and this y. Suppose it is y equal to mx plus c. Similarly, if the points are like this, then it is a parabola. Its equation is y equal to x square plus c. If the points are like this, then it is like y equal to sin x. This is x and this y. So what we are doing here, we are establishing a relationship between x and y, and this relation is regression. What is the definition? Say, a kind of statistical supervised learning technique for estimating the relationship between dependent and independent variables. And what is supervised learning? Because in this learning is label data. We are getting label data, so it is supervised learning. And what we are doing here, we are establishing a relation between dependent and independent variable. Now, what is dependent and independent variable? Here, x is dependent variable and x is independent variable, and y is here. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Because value of y is dependent on value of x. Here, this is a dependent and independent variable. It is a equation y equal to a0 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus so on plus an xn. It is y is dependent variable and these are independent variable. Now, what is linear regression? Supervised learning technique is predict dependent variable by forming a linear relationship with one or more independent variable. That means this. Here we can predict value of y for any value of x, and the relationship between y and x is linear. This is linear regression. Suppose we have given a data set where area of houses and price of houses are given, and so what we will do, we will plot data on xy plane where x is area and y is price. X y plane, x, this is y. We are plotting data, xy data. We plot this data. And we are getting a line, but problem is there is no line passes through all the points. So we are there, but there is problem is no line which passes through all points. So we have to find a line which is closer to all points. See, there are many points, many line, many line. Which is the best line, and how to find this best line? Here, suppose this is the best line. This is best line. Y equal to b0 plus b1 x. This is best line. Now notice one thing. For value of x1, value of suppose x is price and let's suppose x is area and y is price. For x1 area, square feet area, price of house is y1, but according to our regression model, price is y1 dash. So how much error we are doing? Error is w1 equal to y1 dash minus y1. Okay, for this point error is y1, for this y2, similarly for this yn, sorry, not y, this for this w2, for this wm, etc. So what we are doing here, we are taking summation of every w square and we call it RSS, residual sum square. And what we are doing, we minimize this RSS value, because RSS is the square of every error of data point. So we minimize for which b0 and b1, value of which b0 and b1 RSS is minimum is best fitted line. Now how to minimize this RSS? What is best fitted line? To find best fitted line, we have to minimize RSS. residual sum of square. What is RSS? Suppose B0 and B1 x. What we discuss here is written here. Here is in this slide something are error, something is wrong. That is this is not W1. W1 is this, or this is W2, this is W3, this is W4, this is W5, and these are not. This is not. Some mistakes are there in this PPT. Now how to find minimum value of RSS? There are three methods. One over-determined system of equation discussed later, gradient descent discussed later, and other is direct formula, and this is only for simple linear regression. Suppose this is x1, this is x2, this is y. Here you can't use this formula, or these are the data point. You can't directly use this formula. Or suppose this is x1 x, this is y, and this is the linear regression equal to fx. Here you can't apply direct formula. Can't. Apply. Okay, so for this you have to use, for those cases you have to use either this or this. These are discussed in later slide. Now why take RSS minimum? We discussed it earlier. That is, RSS is nothing but error of machine learning model, and so if we take B0 B1 for minimum RSS, we will get better results. And why we are taking mod WI square? Why not? Why? Because y equal to mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0, and you have to differentiate for other method, for other RSS determining method, and indirect formula also not applicable, because to minimize you need differentiation. So this direct formula is not applicable. So you can't take minimize this. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.